Okay, this question is number 6. It looks way harder than it really is. It's not that hard. Now, if you're not very good with multiplication, this might be a bit of a harder question, but I'll show you how you would figure it out. Just take a look at this square first, and if we know that the area is 144 centimeters squared, remember to find the area of a rectangular shape or a square shape, you times the length times the width. So 12 times 12 is 144, so it means all the sides of this square are 12. Here it's 169. 13 times 13 is 169, so that means that all the sides of this square are also 13. So that means that would be 13 as well. This would be 12. And what we're trying to find is x on here. So you've just got a triangle in the middle, right? That has a 12, an x, and a 13. So if I just said, okay, forget all the other garbage, and I just drew this triangle, this is just Pythagorean theorem. So you're just trying to find x. Now, I noticed something when you guys are solving these questions. Make sure that you know that you're not always adding everything together. Sometimes you're going to have to subtract, and here's how you know. This is a short side, that's a short side, and this is the long side because it's opposite to the right angle, and it's the hypotenuse. So always write out short side. I'm just going to kind of shift this over really carefully. Okay. You're going to go short side squared plus short side squared equals long side squared. So we know that it's one of the short sides is 12. The other one we have no idea. And the long side is 13 squared. So you can see here, this is going to be a subtraction one because I have to bring the 12 squared over to the other side. So sometimes you are doing subtraction. You have to set it up to be able to know. So if I bring the 12 squared over, they're subtracting. Now, we already know what 13 squared is because it's the same thing as here. 13 times 13 is 169. And we know what 12 squared is because we know it's 144. Now, even if you don't have a calculator, you can do this using simple math. So if you have to actually go, okay, 169 minus 144, or count your way back to 169, you can do that too, but you should get 25. So that means that you're going to get x squared equals 25. Now remember, that's not your answer, so don't pick that. You always have to do square root at the end to get x, so the answer is just 5.